Hello fellow boomers, welcome back to our channel. Imagine rewriting the code of life itself. Human DNA is written in a four-letter language, A, T, C, G, stretching across 3 billion base pairs. Changing just one single letter can eliminate devastating disease, or potentially allow humans to breathe the thin, toxic air of Mars. Genetic engineering isn't simply medicine anymore, it's humanity's next evolutionary leap. Today we're exploring how editing our own biology will reshape human existence beyond Earth, unlocking engineered evolution, space colonization, biological immortality, and ultimately redefining what it truly means to be human. Stay until the end, because the biggest question we'll answer isn't how to engineer the human body but whether we should ever dare to. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, would you edit your own DNA if you could? Like this video, share it with a curious friend, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you're always first to know. Space will kill an unmodified human remarkably fast. Cosmic radiation shreds DNA faster than cells can repair it, while microgravity silently dissolves muscle and bone within weeks. But genetic engineering offers extraordinary solutions. Scientists are studying tardigrades, microscopic creatures virtually immune to radiation, and deep-sea worms thriving under crushing pressure, harvesting their protective genes for human application. Modified growth genes could prevent physical deterioration in zero gravity. Even our sleep cycles, governed by circadian rhythm genes, could be rewritten, untethering astronauts completely from Earth's day-night cycle, adapting them to entirely new planetary environments. What if humanity's greatest spacecraft wasn't built, but grown? Hollowed-out asteroids, naturally shielded from cosmic radiation, could carry entirely enclosed genetically engineered ecosystems across interstellar distances. Advanced civilizations might seed distant planets, using engineered biological methods, essentially creating the first deliberately manufactured alien species, organisms built specifically for alien worlds. Even human embryos shipped across galaxies with pre-edited DNA represent a revolutionary colonization model. Here, the astronaut's genome itself becomes the mission, carrying humanity's biological blueprint toward worlds we may never personally reach. Earth's most familiar creatures are being rewritten for alien worlds. Bees, essential pollinators, are being gene-edited with completely rewritten navigation systems and modified flight mechanics designed specifically for low-gravity biodome environments on lunar and Martian surfaces. Beneath the soil, earthworms genetically coded for low oxygen conditions would accelerate composting, supporting crucial agricultural systems inside off-world habitats. Even sparrows are being reimagined, their wing-loading and flight muscles modified for low-gravity movement, serving as natural pest hunters and seed scatterers within enclosed biodome ecosystems far from Earth. What if transforming a planet required no machines whatsoever, only life itself? Genetic terraforming introduces specially engineered organisms onto foreign planets, triggering cascading biological and geochemical reactions that gradually sculpt Earth-compatible atmospheres from hostile alien environments. Consider Dyson trees, genetically engineered miniature high-oxygen-producing trees designed to grow inside asteroid habitats and off-world settlements, breathing life into dead spaces. This represents a profound paradigm shift, moving completely away from machine-based planetary transformation toward gene-based terraforming, where biology itself becomes humanity's most powerful tool for reshaping worlds. Humanity's genetic editing journey began crudely, using radiation to randomly mutate DNA and hoping for useful results. Then CRISPR arrived, a precision molecular tool borrowed directly from bacteria, capable of finding and slicing specific DNA sequences with remarkable accuracy, allowing scientists to insert, erase, or completely disable individual genes. But the next phase moves far beyond single edits. Scientists are beginning rewriting entire biological systems simultaneously, borrowing antifreeze proteins from Arctic fish, radiation immunity from tardigrades, and magnetic navigation capabilities from migrating birds, introducing genuinely radical new human capabilities never before possible. Crossing interstellar distances requires sleeping through years of travel. Scientists are editing astronaut genes using hibernation mechanisms borrowed from bears, Arctic ground squirrels, and deep-sea fish, enabling genuine years-long synthetic cryosleep. Meanwhile, tissue engineering is dissolving the boundary between biology and machinery entirely. Living tissue is now being designed to integrate directly with robotic components, marking the true beginning of a cybernetic age. Remarkably, bio-ink technology enables 3D bioprinting using living cells, while biobots, AI robots wearing biological exteriors, including functional skin and corneas, are already emerging from laboratories worldwide. Imagine that evolution happens all the time in the life of a single person. Molecular machines embedded at the cellular level could assess environmental conditions and modify DNA in real time, facilitating continuous biological adaptation previously unattainable. Military uses come up right away, with self-healing soldiers quickly changing their own DNA to get rid of toxins on the battlefield. This is a whole new area of biodefense. But creative applications are equally extraordinary. Bioluminescent skin, responding dynamically to neural patterns, scent glands producing emotional molecules, and electroreception organs growing directly within fingertips, represent biology becoming a genuinely programmable, endlessly expressive artistic medium. Natural 9-month gestation may simply be insufficient for engineering truly enhanced humans. Artificial wombs extending development to 12, 15, or even 18 months would provide enough time for enhanced neural pathways and radiation-resistant genes to fully integrate into developing biology. Bones could be engineered to calcify using titanium-strength proteins borrowed from mollusks, producing structurally superior human skeletons during extended gestation periods. Meanwhile, cloned organs serving as personalized biological laboratories transform medicine entirely, evolving beyond treating individuals into accelerating the emergence of genuinely superior human variants through personalized evolution.
The human body.
Genetic engineering's darkest outcomes reveal biology's terrifying unpredictability. Bone density enhancements designed for strength can catastrophically trigger skeletal overgrowth, causing bone spikes erupting violently through skin, vertebrae extending into dorsal blades, and ribs reforming into unintended armor plating. Night vision enhancements carry equally disturbing consequences, permanently dilating pupils and causing complete daylight blindness, forcing affected individuals into permanent nocturnal existence forever. Radiation resistance genes can trigger metallic skin mutations, turning flesh permanently blue, while bioluminescence edits occasionally cause full body transparency, making internal organs and blood vessels horrifyingly visible beneath the skin. Regenerative medicine is borrowing nature's most extraordinary healing secrets. Bio-bandages, genetically engineered wound coverings soaked with DNA-carrying lipid vesicles, enable near-instant skin regeneration while embedded conductive threads monitor infection through remarkable, real-time color changes. Even more revolutionary, limb regrowth therapy harvests and reprograms ordinary stem cells into pluripotent stem cells capable of regenerating teeth, nerves, tissues, bones, and eventually entire limbs. This breakthrough draws direct biological inspiration from nature's master regenerators, salamanders regrowing legs, planarian flatworms rebuilding entire bodies, starfish replacing arms, and sea cucumbers regenerating internal organs completely. Laboratory mice with indefinitely extended telomeres and silenced aging genes are already living proof that biological immortality isn't purely fictional. Scientists are engineering DNA to prevent cellular degeneration entirely, pushing toward humanity's most audacious goal. The Methuselah point describes the extraordinary moment when life expectancy extends faster than time actually passes, achieved not through single breakthroughs but cascading medical advances continuously outpacing biological degeneration. Cellular reprogramming reverses aging cells back to juvenile states, nanobots edit DNA in real time preventing cancer, and organs regenerate continuously, making death itself increasingly optional.
Here, in the heart of the Dyson,
genetic engineering is dissolving the boundary between plant and animal kingdoms entirely. Scientists are developing trees that produce genuine milk, plant vines growing actual meat, and grass embedded with animal heat-regulating genes staying green through winter frost. Simultaneously, food allergies affecting billions worldwide are being eliminated at the molecular level. Peanut proteins are being modified to prevent immune reactions, gluten structures altered to eliminate celiac responses, and lactose intolerance triggers completely engineered away. These advances collectively promise revolutionary agricultural sustainability and universal nutrition, permanently eliminating dietary restrictions that have historically limited human health and freedom. computing's future may be entirely biological. Genetically engineered bacteria are already solving mathematical problems through metabolic pathways, with proteins becoming processors and enzymes performing calculations through remarkable biological parallel processing. DNA data storage takes this further, theoretically fitting all of humanity's accumulated digital information within a single sugar cube, offering compact long-term archiving impossibly beyond traditional electronic storage capacity. Most extraordinarily, tank-sized bioreactors filled with trillions of engineered cells form self-repairing, self-evolving data centers operating successfully in conditions that would instantly and completely destroy conventional electronic computing systems. Extinction may soon become reversible. Genetic archaeology uses AI prediction algorithms to reconstruct complete extinct organism genomes from fragmentary DNA samples, enabling revival of species lost centuries or millennia ago. Mammoths could return engineered with heat tolerance for modern climates. Dinosaurs resurrected carrying contemporary immune systems, and Neanderthals potentially combined genetically with modern humans, creating unprecedented hybrid intelligence. However, introducing resurrected species into modern ecosystems carries profound ethical and ecological implications. Bioengineered megafauna reintroduced at scale could fundamentally transform entire planetary landscapes in ways completely beyond current scientific prediction or control. Bioengineered megafauna could become humanity's most powerful planetary management tools. Elephant-sized organisms designed to consume carbon dioxide and produce oxygen at massive scale represent a genuinely biological solution to atmospheric and climate challenges threatening Earth's future. Beneath the oceans, whale-like bioengineered creatures could filter accumulated pollutants while generating fresh water continuously. Pressure-resistant megafauna engineered specifically for deep ocean environments could enable permanent underwater human colonization, opening civilization's next great frontier. Organisms processing seawater directly into breathable atmospheres would allow entire human populations to inhabit and travel through ocean depths previously completely inaccessible. Death itself may become merely temporary. Digital consciousness mapping records complete brain patterns in quantum detail, transferring them into genetically identical clone bodies and making biological mortality increasingly optional. Meanwhile, extinction vaults, molecular libraries preserving Earth's complete genetic heritage, are being designed for launch toward distant star systems, with genetic archives downloading directly into biological fabrication systems to recreate Earth life across the cosmos. Ultimately, humanity spreads not through physical spacecraft, but through genetic information itself, biology becoming the self-replicating, self-healing, self-evolving vehicle, carrying civilization across interstellar distances forever. Humanity stands at biology's most extraordinary threshold. From CRISPR precision editing and engineered panspermia to genetic terraforming, biocomputers, limb regrowth therapy, biological immortality, and digital consciousness transfer, these aren't isolated technologies but interconnected pillars of humanity's entirely engineered future. Remember the fundamental takeaway: machines are precise, but biology is self-replicating, self-healing, and self-evolving, making genetic engineering the most powerful survival and expansion tool humanity has ever developed. The real question isn't whether we can rewrite humanity, it's whether anything human will be left when we do. What do you think?
Please share with us in the comments section below. We read and respond to each and every comment. If this future fascinates you, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's explore the future together.